Hi, so in this video we will learn how to import leads using a CSV file in our lead manager. So first of all you have to go to contacts and click on import CSV. Here you have to just download a sample file. As you can see, it will show you a template. So just copy these four columns and control shift N. If you are on Mac, shift command shift N, or just click on new file and just paste these. So first column should be a name could be, let's assume you have Rahul, Yamini, Umesh. So these are the four people, and I have the some numbers ready. I'll just copy paste them. Emails are, it's up to you, you want to use them. Let's assume I have some email, rahul@121.com. Okay, remarks I just want to give them to Mahesh, qualified lead. So, and it's up to you. Do you want to add people? The numbers are mandatory field. Name, email, and remarks are not mandatory field. And you just save this as a CSV file, sample, upload. Select save type as CSV, comma delimited. When you just save it, now go to Whatsboost, and if you have created multiple groups, contact groups, you just select the which one you want to import them in and select the CSV file. It will show you the how many rows are there. As you can see, four rows were there, right? So I'll just click on import. For Rahul, it have saved it with email, right? Yamini, Mahesh, and one other person was there. Yeah, Umesh, there was no email, so it skipped them. Only Mahesh have the remarks. So let's see. Yes, Mahesh have the remark, right? Name you can see, group you can see, and as well as created at you can see. So that's how you can import multiple leads from CSV in Whatsboost. And thanks for watching the video. Thank you so much. Have a nice day. Bye bye.